Okay, so Tesla is going up nicely today. It is doing an impressive bullish reaction just above our support level at 110. Another bullish reaction, right? So could Tesla fly from here? Yes, it could. However, the situation is still a little bit dramatic because we are still trading dangerously near a very critical support level. I'm going to describe the most important key points we should pay attention right now and the most important chart patterns we should look at on Tesla from here. First, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. It is a pleasure to meet you guys. Let's do our multiple time frame analysis on Tesla's price action, starting with the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, the trend is still bearish. We still see lower highs, lower lows. We see a trend line, this purple line over here, connecting the previous top levels on Tesla. And so far, we have yet to break this resistance. We see the $123 as another resistance level as well. But honestly, if we break this purple trend line, I think it is going to be enough for Tesla to reverse the trend in the short term. Now, in the mid-term, the situation looks a little bit more positive because we see two bullish candlestick patterns over here, two Haramis candlestick patterns, again, just above our support level at 110. Why 110? 110 was a support level from September 2020, and it seems it is holding Tesla's price recently. So if Tesla triggers this Harami candlestick pattern again, we might expect another bounce. Now, what is a Harami candlestick pattern? Well, a Harami is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern which reverses the trend 53% of the time. It is not that reliable, and even when it triggers, even when we see this Harami getting triggered, well, it shows a mediocre performance after the breakout. So if Tesla triggers this Harami, personally speaking, I would expect another bounce. Now, a bounce to what point? We see a very strong resistance level around the $123, $126 area. 123 was a resistance over here, as we can see in the hourly chart. This key point was a previous support level as well. So yes, 123 is a key resistance level in the 1 hour chart, along with the 126 in the daily chart as well, which was a previous support level from October 2020. Okay, so even if Tesla breaks this purple trend line, it has to face this dual resistance level in multiple time frames, as we see in the hourly and daily chart over here. Now the good news. On the bright side, if Tesla actually breaks this dual resistance level, then we're gonna see a bounce, a possible reversal in the daily chart. Why? Because this key point over here, 126, is the peak between the valley of a possible double bottom chart pattern. In this scenario, I don't know why TradingView erased my study. Let me do it again. If this actually happens over here, then Tesla is going to do a sharper pullback, potentially to the 21 exponential moving average, or maybe to this red trend line in the daily chart. So, okay, we may expect a further bounce on it. This is not necessarily an amazing bullish reversal structure, but might be the beginning. If Tesla breaks these resistances, the 21 EMA, this red line over here, then okay, then I believe Tesla is going to reverse the trend in the mid/long term, and we might see a bounce to the EMA in the weekly chart over here. Alright? However, as long as Tesla remains under these resistances in the daily chart, it is not gonna be easy for Tesla to reverse the trend. This double bottom chart pattern might be the beginning, yes, and it is going to be quite optimistic beginning, but honestly, I rather wait to see more clearer bullish reactions in spite of this bullish double bottom chart pattern getting triggered. Alright, if we analyze back to the weekly chart, last week, this is why it is so problematic to analyze Tesla and to build any bullish thesis on it right now. In the weekly chart, last week we did a hammer candlestick pattern, a fantastic reversal pattern. However, the pattern was not triggered and we lost the hammer's low, we lost the 110 support level just to react over here, and right now Tesla is doing another hammer candlestick pattern in the weekly chart. So this is why Tesla is quite frustrating right now. It feels like it wants to react, but then it fails, it doesn't trigger any meaningful bullish reaction, and then it drops again just to try to do another bullish reaction. This is why Tesla is so frustrating right now at this moment, if you ask me. Therefore, I would wait for this double bottom chart pattern to get triggered, and I would wait for a crystal clear bullish structure indicating that we have some decent chances of doing a breakout of these resistances in the daily chart. And of course, if you want to trade with me, check my website, join the top 5% family. We can make money while beating the market. Only the top 5% of traders can actually do that. My performance is public. Check my website, the link is in the description of this video, and if you liked this video so far, remember to click on the like button to support this channel, subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis. I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla's price action. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.